Welcome to session 2 of Key Stage 1 online music. At the end of last week's session, I asked you to think about the different sounds the green machine makes. I also asked you to find some things at home to make different sounds. I hope you have these things ready as we will be using them very soon. Can you remember the Green Machine song from last session? We are going to sing it together, so let's stand up and get ourselves warmed up. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your shoulders. Stamp your feet. Fantastic. Now we're ready to sing.
You could see were painted green, but nobody knew what this great machine was for. Although it had been out in the shed for 50 years or more, it went whiz bang bong ting every single day. Whiz bang bong ting every single day. It went whiz bang bong ting every single day. The grand old green machine. And make a dreadful hum. She oiled it, she cleaned it, she took it all apart. She put it back together again, but still it wouldn't start. It went every single day. Every single day. It went every single day. The grand old green machine. Were bound to know exactly what was wrong with it and why it wouldn't go. The cogs, no, the cranks, no, the lever, no, the chain. She lost her temper, gave it a kick, it started up again. It went whiz bang bong ting every single day. Whiz bang bong ting every single day. It went whiz bang bong ting every single day. The grand old green machine. Whiz bang bong ting, whiz bang bong ting, whiz bang bong ting, whiz bang bong ting.
We're going to sing the song again, but first I would like you to look at the different things you have collected and think what sounds you could make for the words whiz bang bong ting. Look at the things you have gathered together and try them out. It would be good if you paused this slide while you try out your ideas. Look at some of the things I have found at home and listen to how the sounds fit in. Are you ready to have a go with your sounds? Get ready to play after I count 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Again. And again. Now let's sing the song again without saying the words whiz bang bong ting. Instead, I would like you to put in the sounds you have just practiced.
My Auntie May had a funny old machine. The bits that hadn't rusted you could see were painted green. But nobody knew what this great machine was for. Although it had been out in the shed for 50 years or more, it went whiz to make a dreadful hum. She oiled it, she cleaned it, she took it all apart. She put it back together again, but still it wouldn't start. It went every single day. Every single day it went every single day. The grand old green machine. My Auntie May thought her friends were bound to know exactly what was wrong with it and why it wouldn't go. The cogs, no, the cranks, no, the lever, no, the chain. She lost her temper, gave it a kick, it started up again. It went whiz bang bong ting every single day. Whiz bang bong ting every single day. It went whiz bang bong ting every single day. The grand old green machine. Whiz bang bong ting, whiz bang bong ting, whiz bang bong ting, whiz bang bong ting.
Activity. Put the sounds you have collected in an order to compose a piece of music. Don't forget, you can repeat them and put in silences. Use your voice and anything else that makes the sound you want. For example, finally, draw a picture of the green machine and include some of the sounds it makes. You could even build a model of your green machine with different moving parts. Have fun! That's it for today. See you next time.